Steps for better protection of your legitimate online businesses. Have you ever considered the outside factors that could destroy your legitimate online businesses? When starting a business on the internet was still a pretty new concept, there were some rather gray areas that allowed business owners some room to maneuver when it came to controlling the outside variables. Today, however, there are various ways that you can undermine your business and not even be aware that you are doing it. Because these factors have now been researched and people setting up an online business are more aware of them, it is easier to take steps to protect both yourself and your legitimate online businesses. Here are some of the main factors that can destroy your business and some ideas on the steps that you can take for better online business protection. Point 1. The first thing that you must take into consideration is the type of online business you are running. This does not mean that you need to label yourself as a content writer or an affiliate marketer, but rather along the lines of more traditional thinking as to the legal form of business you are starting. The majority of online business owners begin as sole proprietors or independent contractors, and there are various advantages to starting this way, such as the benefits that you can get when it comes to taxes. But remember also that if you take a loan or make a mistake, you will have to take full responsibility if anything goes wrong. A sole proprietor is not a separate legal entity. This means that you and your business are recognized as being the same, and if for any reason you get sued, you will have to find the money yourself to repay the debt. For this reason, creating a limited liability corporation would give you better protection from a personal point of view. Point 2. If this is your first attempt at starting a legitimate online business, then it would be worth your while to get a business attorney to help you get set up. It doesn't have to be anyone that you need to speak to on a regular basis, just someone that you feel you can trust to look over any legal documents that you may require, including such things as terms of service, privacy policies, or any legal contracts. With an online business, because most of the work is done on the internet, you will find that it requires fewer legal documents than in normal traditional bricks and mortar businesses. You will probably do the work yourself and not involve employees, but it is still important to be sure that both you and your business interests are legally protected. Point 3. Another area when it is a good idea to use a professional is when it comes to dealing with taxes. There are people with legitimate online businesses who are happier having someone who will file their taxes for them, while others will get by with a part-time bookkeeper. The one thing no business owner wants to get into trouble with is the IRS, as this can kill a business quicker than anything else. Fortunately, this is an area where you can protect yourself completely so long as you plan ahead. In many ways, running an online business is different from a bricks and mortar business, and this is especially true if you are working from home. You need to be aware of the legitimate expenses and overheads you can deduct when it comes to reporting your income. There are many things that you must do to protect your legitimate online business, and although none of them are difficult to do, you still find a lot of internet business owners who just overlook them. The three main areas that are key to having your online business well protected have been discussed here, and attending to them sooner rather than later would be well worth doing right at the start.